Hey everybody, David here from CPAP.com, and today I want to talk about this, the ResMed AirFit P30i. The P30i was released in April of 2019, and it has a lot of really cool features, and we're going to dive into all of that in just a second. We rated this mask on a scale of 1 to 10 with 10 different factors, with 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. Together, the 10 factors all add up to a composite score of 100. So, for the ResMed P30i, we measured ease of use, ease of maintenance, quiet operation, active sleeper friendly, open field of vision, cushion comfort, headgear comfort, cost, uniqueness, and sizing variety. So without any further ado, let's dive in. For ease of use, we gave this an 8 because really all you have to do to put it on is just loosen the headgear straps, and then you'll just slide the mask over the back of the head like that. Make sure you position the pillows underneath the nose, and then you're just going to gently tighten the headgear straps here. Really, that's all there is to it. Very easy to put on. For maintenance, ease of maintenance, we gave this a 7 because you do have to disassemble the whole mask to clean it. You're also going to have to submerge the frame in water to allow some of the soap and water to penetrate the frame, and you'll probably have to run some water through the frame when you rinse it to make sure that you get it completely clean. For quiet operation, we gave this a very high score of 9 because it has 2 diffuser ports, one on the top at the elbow and one at the front of the mask, giving it a total decibel rating of 21 decibels, which is even quieter than whisper quiet. Most masks check in around 24 to 26 decibels, so this is indeed a very, very quiet mask. For active sleeper friendly, we gave this a 10 because I don't know if you can see it, but the elbow does rotate 360 degrees. The frame is also stretchy and flexible, so as you move throughout the night, the frame is designed to move with you. The elbow is designed to move with you. So it is very friendly for active sleepers. For open field of vision, we gave it a 10 because as you can see, there's literally nothing blocking your view. You can read a book, watch the big game, send a text. You can do all that before going to bed while wearing your CPAP mask. For cushion comfort, we gave it a 9 because the pillows align with the nostrils themselves, creating a little seal at the base of the nostrils, and the materials used are not latex. They're hypoallergenic, so it's going to create a nice seal for you, and that's why we gave the cushion comfort a 9. For headgear comfort, we gave it a 10 because this material that the headgear is made of is almost like a t-shirt, honestly. It is very soft, very comfortable, and there's only a few parts. There's no forehead strap, there's no other straps. It's just one strap in the back, and that's all you have to worry about. For cost, we gave this an 8 because it checks in right now at $109. Granted, that price may go up or down in the coming months depending on what happens, but for right now it's got a very good price at the release of $109. For uniqueness, we gave it a 10 because aside from the AirFit N30i, there's really no other mask out there like this at all. It's a very unique mask with a very unique design. And for sizing variety, we gave this an 8. It does come with small, medium, or large cushions, and the frame comes in 2 sizes, so you have a lot of options to get a frame and a cushion set that match your exact fit that you need. We're very excited about this mask, and we hope that you will be too. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day.